Now, there's no formal beginning to our new show because our show's evolved so much. It used to be actually a version of Cock and Bull. Then it became just ending of Cock and Bull. Then it became AMA. Then it became AMA live. Then it became Discord, came back to AMA. And now we are doing AMA but not live but close to live.
Yeah.
That's what we're trying to do.
It's like Maharashtra government.
Very nicely put, except that I don't know who the Maharashtra government is at this point. Yeah.
Yeah.
But money's on Mahayuti only.
Yeah?
Yeah. I can't pronounce it, but other than that, it's
Other
great.
than that, it's fine. Yeah.
But I think all have these big words, yeah. Mahangad this and Maha this and Maha that. And why can't you just have simple names?
They think
Party
if the
A,
name
party.
is small, people will feel it is a smaller party.
I'm telling you, for South Bombay, you should have gone Shiv Sena A, Shiv Sena B. Then we'll understand. You can't have these big alliance. Abhi isme kaun hai? And alliance ke andar one party has two factions, another party has two factions, and the second faction has kept the name in both cases. The first faction, the original, has lost the name. It's like your father loses the surname and you keep it. Your father is Charlie from now on. It doesn't make sense to me. It's very confusing.
But even sweet shops have all these problems across the country. Original Agarwal and Sons, the original. So same thing.
You know, when you mentioned that Karachi, what is that famous Karachi
Bakery.
sweet? Karachi Bakery. Karachi Bakery, no?
Yeah.
But it's in Bombay. With all this anti-Pakistan sentiment, I was surprised that they don't go a little crazy.
It happened last year.
क्या हो गया?
Yeah, some people went after them.
Where?
Karachi क्यों लिखा है?
I wonder who those people were.
yeah.
Unnamed sources.
Yeah, it could be anybody.
Maybe diabetics. We are jumping ahead of ourselves here. Don't make it political. It's not political. It's just anti-sugar. Different. So coming back to our format. So
Yes.
now we're trying this. What do you feel, Puneet? You've been with us. You're one of the cousins, one of the trustees of the show.
Yes.
we have evolved.
Glad to be back thanks to some public demand, I think.
Lots of public demand for you. But do you think it's that we are failing in our own eyes or evolving in a better way? What's your?
I
how do
think the
you?
audience is lonely. That's I meet them at
I'm
my
yet to
shows.
find any audience. Our search for audience continues. Yeah.
No, there are like roughly 5 people in every city.
You're telling me that's a lot in India, no?
Yeah.
So many cities.
And most of them come for my live events, so I meet them there.
Can I tell you some really sad piece of news?
Yeah.
Almost as sad as your people coming to your live event, which is that on the internet I've discovered this fact. I love these facts here. That if the entire human population of whatever, how many billion are we? 7 point
Yeah.
whatever. You put them all together and make a giant meatball, it'll fit in Central Park. That's all we are. I was so depressed here. Really.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to dampen the spirits of all the
Yeah.
the
So,
people
so
watching.
World War Z जो दिखाता है उससे नहीं होने वाला है.
Hey, World War, the news channels my mother puts on, which are Indian, they every day predict World War.
Yeah.
Every time there's a movement by, Ukraine does a little bit this way or Russia goes a little bit that way.
Yeah.
World War 3 is on its way.
Putin has got acidity. World War 3.
No, I think it's all positive reinforcement. They're trying to.
They want.
They want it. It's almost like they're pushing the agenda so they have great news finally. Beyond Mahayuti events again. Would show your voting finger? हाँ.
Oh yeah.
मेरा भी लेफ्ट हैंड पे किया कुणाल का राइट हैंड पे किया व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड लेफ्ट यू आर फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट ओनली बंगाल
Maybe it's a caste thing. Who knows?
you think left but I'll say Malabar Hill very nice the way it was organized
Yeah.
and the people were very polite the cops were very polite I was very happy with all that my old mother was with me and all they were treated everybody well they not only gave chairs it was such a beautiful moment Puneet for me they said auntie G and all no not auntie but auntie G auntie must be me auntie G is her and gave a chair and then looked at me for a second and didn't offer the chair. So I felt what a compliment कि मैं इतना young हूँ ना in their eyes. I just tell you, keep the hair colored black and you're good to go. Yeah.
They came home for my bua's vote.
Oh, you call them, how old is, sorry
90.
to ask. Not 90 then. Fair,
Super
fair.
senior.
Oh.
So and very nicely done. 1 month prior they came. Then 2 months before.
You voted 1 month before us?
No, she got to vote 1 week before.
That's cheating here.
No, but that is paper ballot, no. So
Oh.
yeah. So they don't
I
get
love
that.
paper ballot.
And 8 people came to collect that 1 vote.
Yeah. 8 people
8 people came.
representing 7 parties
this is the
and 2 alliances.
The closest she's come to becoming a citizen.
Wow, huge, yeah.
At the end of her life.
5 of them are checking if it's the real person. Who's pretending to be 90 years old?
Yeah. And they got a booth along for privacy
Oh,
of the
nice,
voter.
nice.
Right, and one police.
You can use this on your show, no?
Yeah, even-
Take that booth as a set wherever you go. Hi, Puneet Panya.
So one police guy came with a rifle and everything, in case she runs away or something. I don't know. So my mom offered like.
I mean, that's ridiculous. Enter a flat, he's carrying a gun.
Yeah.
What does he want to do?
What if the voter runs away or something? I don't know. So
Wow.
And
What did your family say?
So my mom offered a drink only to that guy.
Yeah, for sure. Extra strong.
The others refused because I think they can't.
Yeah.
And the political observers were there. And obviously BJP.
Political observers. For one person, half of India has turned up.
Yeah. So and then the BJP person took a selfie, because वो डालेगा ना अपने social media पे, देखो इतना बूढ़ा आदमी भी हम.
Yeah, that our machinery has worked so well.
And
Not. Yeah.
They gave us a voting card, BJP, voting card with all family members का नाम, everything neatly done with the number.
But that's been going on for some time.
No, but now this
all
one
the
is-
parties, the 2-3 big parties, all try to send their thing. So if you're not paying attention, you only bring that.
But I only see them active at least in my area.
Sir, in your area, they are very powerful. In my area, it doesn't matter because nobody knows the party names. We are so backward in South Bombay, we have no idea. People are still saying Republican. Republican nahi hai. We don't have Republican as an option. But one more thing, one lady came out, one very South Bombay, English-speaking lady, very old lady. She came out and announced to all of us, 8-10 people in the line. Now, everybody listen. So I said, kya ho gaya? My mom also. Remember to press the red button and hold it for 8 to 10 counts. Then I said, I saw my mother's face and I said, oh, anxiety. Anyway, this is difficult for a lot of people. Now you go and put some more thing in their head कि वो button को दबाना पड़ेगा, पकड़ो, count करो, 1, 2. I mean, and I saw that. And she was already now worried and tense about this simple process, yaar. And for sure enough, she took 2 minutes extra.
वो घंटी बजता है ना और दिखता भी है. You get to see this shit that goes in.
What do you think I did? I don't know about any ganti. I just pressed the button for about 1 second. I am impatient. I am premature ejaculation at its best. I am done before it starts.
Yeah.
Dung dong. Boat gaya, nahi gaya, fuck off next time. I'm not interested.
So morning my parents went, then afternoon a relative went, and I went in the evening. And all 3 times completely empty. I was back in the house in less than 5
This
minutes.
is Kandivali where?
East.
No, but where?
East is close to the station, Garib area.
So nobody turns up.
That's what it. Or they're so
Well,
efficient.
if you went to 3 or 4 different parts of the day, maybe everybody's called them because these guys are very good in your area. All of them have called them home. You see? Zomato, home delivery place, bring the machine, bring the booth. Arey, gun bhi aata hai, lovely, lovely.
Yeah,
So Bunty can play with the gun while your little kids can have some fun. Why did he bring the gun? I'm not able to digest this. This is a 90-year-old that they're going to meet to verify she's 90. He's carrying a gun. If she's 89, he'll shoot her. Is that what you're saying?
I don't know. I think the polling officers need. I don't know. So
you didn't ask him, Puneet, you the comedian.
I was sleeping at that time. So then they showed that the vote लिया, फिर एक डाला उसमें पर्चे में, then second पर्चे में तो showed this sealed completely.
Double impact, double what's it called? Insurance. Huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Great stuff.
It's the only time you feel like a citizen. Then you're on your own.
Yeah.
Afterwards.
But also with the vote that's been decided in a sense.
Yeah.
With the paper that came in. Yeah.
A famous critic once says that if the voting really mattered, they wouldn't let you in the
Exactly.
first place.
Fair enough. That critic is Puneet. Watch his shows which are coming soon. Where?
Mumbai this weekend. I don't know when the episode goes out.
This weekend ka nahi. Anything after the 25th.
So next weekend I'm doing Delhi and Gurgaon at least.
So that's first, second.
Yeah, 30th and 1st. Delhi and Gurgaon.
30th and 1st, and also 31st, there isn't a day in November. Otherwise, he had a gig.
Otherwise, yes.
Yaar.
And I hope AQI comes down to 500 at least.
Which horrible, no? Or is it just all big talk? Who knows the truth here? Sometimes I wonder if they just create
the numbers.
This fear, yeah.
But you can see it, no?
See it in what? I don't have a machine.
घर के अंदर स्मोक दिख रहा है और क्या?
वो smog नहीं है. उसके what? Your neighbor is a smoker. I mean, there is any reason for this. Yeah. Bro, one more thing. Last thing on the election. My name I'm now 53. Huh? It's never been spelled correctly. Okay. My wife had an argument with a guy because he's saying your name is Farokh. And she's like, Farokh is my father-in-law. He's saying you are dead. She said, no, he is dead. this is an argument. And her name is Aisha, which is honestly the easiest name to spell. Universal name in India. Everybody knows the name Aisha. So Cyrus Virus will take, I understand a little bit. Aisha is spelled E-I-Sho. Like Japanese Aisha. And first presuming that she is my dad. And then asking, why are you not dead? And asking in English, ma'am, you're dead. He asked this question. You're dead. You're saying you are dead. No, I'm not dead. I'm standing here. How am I dead?
They let you vote, no?
They're polite, so I'll let everything go.
But you didn't get,
polite. Tamiz is सबसे important चीज़ है. You're nice, you can abuse me. I have no problem. That's when people say bench show like that. Suresh Menon will explain to you. It's fine. It's absolutely fine.
So we have one question from Vinita on the elections and about No, BVA leader Hitendra Thakur accused Taude of the you heard the money thing in Virar Hotel first of all.
Huh.
And
The best place to keep cash. Huh.
is there an end to drama in this Maharashtra election? Is the question. Obviously, rhetorical question. But you think this is the worst election ever we had in Maharashtra?
I'm feeling that the opposition has not really realized the election was on in some points. I didn't feel their voice anywhere. I felt, at least my area, maybe my area and your area is just dominated by the
channels.
mother party. Sorry?
They don't own any news channels, then how will the voice be?
That all doesn't, you're right, that doesn't help. But basically on road, we are talking Kandivali and Walkeshwar, Malabar Hill area, which is not the whole of Mumbai, let's be honest. But I didn't get a feeling of any opposition.
Yeah. Budget
They're not there.
Budget hi nahi.
Yeah.
I think they pick the battles. They can't fight all the seats equally. So wherever they think they have a good chance, they go after it. I said in my own constituency,
that's okay if the maths works out, 10 में से 5 or 6 and all. But if you're doing it 2, then why turn up only?
But Lok Sabha, they did well, no? With the
They did better, but not, I wouldn't say well is a long way off. As Kunal Kamra said, buck up. His words. His stand-up is called buck up. And he talks to, but they call him now to give messages of motivation to like all the very different, Zomatos and... what is the taxi service which rhymes with Vola?
Yeah, in Hindi they're called Punjipatis.
Exactly, that's the one I was aiming for. Nice shirt, Puni, by the way. Huh?
This is a very Kandivali shirt.
It is got a very Gujarati feel to it, but it's also got a 90s feel to it, no? 80s, 90s?
So this is all Jinga on it, so it can't be completely Gujarati. Because
this is not Jinga. Is it Jinga?
Yeah, it's Jinga.
Oh my God, it's Jinga. Okay, good. So you're no longer good. It's Saurashtra, slightly more meat-eating area.
Yeah, depending on where the GDP is, all the Mumbai GDP is going to Gujarat anyway.
And not just Mumbai.
Yeah.
From what I gathered.
Yeah. But Coldplay playing in Ahmedabad
first.
How funny
their choice.
When the audience sings along in Gujarati lyrics.
Absolutely, their choice, Baba. Coldplay said.
They said.
Ahmedabadi chu. And they went running there. Yeah. Don't forget, World Cup final was also hijacked. No Mumbai, no Chennai, no Delhi, no Cal, nothing. Straight Ahmedabad.
And no energy also in the crowd.
I thought it was a great match if you're Australian. Speaking of which, I hope you have time to talk cricket, huh? Then?
Oh yeah, so there is one cricket question.
We're recording it a few hours before the first test match at Perth, Optus Stadium.
And
we're
the
also
question
excited.
is, are we ready for the Australian cricket team in a test series?
Yeah, I'm a little worried. This question is a very good question. I'm a little worried. India was looking...
Nalin, the question.
Lalin it's a good question. I mean... After all that happened with New Zealand and all that, it's a bit of a, people think fresh, but confidence is always affected by your last, like if you had a bad girlfriend, going in onto your next relationship, your self-esteem is low. So if the girl says, okay, you don't hear it properly, that kind of thing. Hence, I remained a virgin for 21 years. Yeah.
21?
Yeah, not my first 21, I mean 21 adult years. I finally, made love at the age of 43 twice and that's it.
Yeah,
but I have the memories.
But that's the Parsi thing to do. No?
Parsis sometimes do it thrice. don't judge by one person. Yeah. So cricket. What's your take?
I think we should stop playing test matches.
No, Baba, don't be like that.
Just play
take it out of the government. Leave my team alone. No?
But do the T20. That's what you're good at. That's what the money is. That's
T20
what the
is good and all that.
are.
We need T20. We can't run away from T20. It's going to pay the bills. But what's the red ball? Yeah. The ball going right into the ribs of the batsman, difficult batting conditions. That'll be fun.
I don't see this surviving because
as a comedian, I'll give you a proper metaphor. It's like imagine you were in a crowd or like this podcast. You're performing, no one's listening. They're heckling you, they're abusing you, they're throwing things. That's the kind of situation. But that's where you thrive and your art comes through. After 1 hour, you won over 3 people. And of course, somebody shoots you on your way out. But the point is, under those conditions, you performed.
Yeah. But the thing is, 5-day match with 3 breaks every day.
No, 5 days. All the tests are ending in 3.5 days.
They can't play only.
They can't play. They can't bat. Batting is dead. Test match batting.
So I think you can only afford to have a test series if you have slavery also. That's how the British invented it. They had all the time in the world.
So you're saying the colonial powers started it, and because you were colonized, you were able to play because you had more time.
Yeah.
But then India should win every test match because we have so much time. India is the only country in the world where somebody shoots someone on the street, people come to watch.
Yeah.
I mean with a gun.
They come to watch JCB also.
No, in New York, if somebody puts out a gun, everybody runs away. I know. It's ridiculous.
I think what will happen is slowly they will eat away at the test match ethos. They already have the number.
They were looking
t-shirts.
at a 4-day test match. They're looking at it very seriously.
They'll say color pehn lo na chalta acha lagta hai.
There'll be some mix and match, boss. Yeah. It's like arranged marriages. You want to keep it going, you've got to find more flavor. So, the arranged marriage, we are allowed 3 times, in 3 relationships before your arranged marriage, you can check out the
But
Yeah.
this is basic dating in India. And all the guys promise they'll marry the girl and then they come up with some excuse.
What are you saying? I thought that was my modus operandy. ये unique नहीं
No,
है?
this is very
What are you
mainstream.
saying, yaar? I wasn't going to share this. I thought this is my little idea. It's a brilliant scheme. Look at Abhi sir looking away. He's so happy. Wink, wink.
So speaking of arranged marriage, our next question comes from Tanika about A.R. Rahman divorce.
Oh, Baba, I have followed that story.
Yeah, he says, why
Now
are
be very
PR
careful. Let's not
strategy-
make fun.
Very difficult.
I mean,
but
very
yes,
difficult. Yes,
right.
very difficult.
Why are PR strategies decided in such weird ways that A.R. Rahman and his bassist, उसका नाम भी नहीं लिखा है, like, how?
No, she got divorced one day later. So they announced yesterday or day before, A.R. Rahman and Saira Banu, same name as Dilip Kumar's wife, but not the same lady, just for clarity. So that's one. And then 24 hours later, the bassist, whose name is Mohini. I'm doing bass. Mohini. We'll find out the name, a Bengali sounding name if I remember correctly. She announced the divorce like 1 or 2 days after his divorce. So now you're just putting 2 and 2 and making 5.
Isn't he married to both of them? He can, no, if he wants to.
अबे यार तू कहाँ से आता है? These are not people who are attacking you. Why are you going after? This is not
I'm
Lok Sabha.
asking.
This is just a poor guy who spreads love with music. No, but my worry is that after the statement combined, do you have a combined statement for saying you're divorced? How do you have a combined statement? Combined statement should be when you're married. When you're divorced, never give a combined statement.
But my question is, why didn't he tweet it thrice? That's you're supposed to.
You won't let it go, na, Baba? You won't let it go.
He's right there. But the hashtag was what we put people off.
My wife is half Muslim. I have to go home. Calm down. Now, I'm just coming back to the whole thing is the combined statement was after 30 years of marriage, we've decided to part ways amicably.
Yeah.
If I hear 30 years of marriage and the next line is part ways, then immediately the emojis would be, clapping, cheering, whiskey pilado, party. I would, they went into some sad thing about how painful the journey is. Anybody, male or female, it's not about him or his wife or anybody. I'm saying after 30, you tell me, you got escaped marriage. The moment you escape, 90%, are we wrong? The moment you escape, a lot of
After
people...
30 years, so it's the lease
Kya
of
sadness,
life.
what sadness is there?
Yeah, it's a lease of life.
It's like a pimple that you couldn't get rid of for so long, and finally you wake up one morning, pimple's not there.
Yeah.
That's what my wife says. Oh. Sorry.
But I think Rahman has a God complex. So her treatment God लिखता है कुछ ना कुछ करके.
God का वो बहुत mention करते हैं, पर इंडिया में ये आदत है.
No, but do you remember the tweet he put out when his concert got royally fucked up in Chennai? Mm-hmm. He said even God makes mistakes and ऐसा कुछ लिखा था उसने.
Yeah. Oh, that's a little. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
And because you're speaking for God. That means God is. We're sharing the same relation.
And it got fucked up royally, if you remember the stamp piece and all. Luckily,
Oh, that you're talking about,
yeah.
right?
उसके बाद भी tweet में
People
ये
got
लिखा था.
badly injured and worse, no?
Yeah. Yeah. उसमें भी लिखा था कि sometimes even God makes errors.
But that kind of thing, you have to blame God only. You can't blame the catering guys or
He's
the.
referring to himself.
I understand what you're saying. But it's okay. He's a pretty good musician. Let it be. My point is now in looking forward, will he be able to find another woman at this age?
अभी 5 खड़ा होगा लाइन में. That kind of name, fame.
He didn't get the memo from Puneet and Brocha where he said you offer them marriage and run. He offered marriage and stayed. That's the problem. Now 30 years later, finally, Ma tujhe salam.
अरे fun.
Sorry.
Also, he mentioned 29 years, 1 year was pending to
We've just been corrected.
Yeah.
It's 29 years, 1 year left to reach 30 or just about closing in on 30
Yeah.
and he didn't make it.
Yeah, it's like the week that wasn't missed.
Yeah, but I'm saying, we missed 17 years. We were 16 years and 8 months.
Yeah.
But we actually missed the 1000th episode because we were on 958 or something. So we did about 8-9 months more. And then we'd have retired voluntarily. 1000 episodes gone karte. I mean, what kind of joker is 1000 episodes? I remember Sajid Khan telling me they did Ikke Pe Ikka and they did reach the 1000. I can't think of anyone else. 1000 episodes, who does? Yeah. I mean, how mediocre can you be that you can do 1000 episodes?
Serials can do it. Balika Vadhu can do it.
Exactly my point.
Yeah, from Balika to menopause, everything they showed. अरे hashtag कौन बनाता है यार divorce में?
Let's go after Zelensky. Do the right thing.
Only other thing that comes close in my mind is when the Coldplay guy, Chris Martin, he parted ways with Gwyneth Paltrow.
Oh, you're seeing her?
Yeah.
They
were married.
He shouldn't have sung in public. This wouldn't have happened. She would have stayed.
So they came up with a new word called conscious uncoupling. So we are not breaking up. It's not a divorce. It's a conscious.
But why joint statement? I don't get that. Like India, Pakistan go to war. At that point, you don't give joint statement. You're going to war. You hate each other. I mean, joint statement because it's a paradox for me.
Maybe the PR people talk it out amongst each other.
No, so obviously it is their involvement, but why try to act like everybody's happy? You're fucking getting divorced. You hate each other. Tell the truth and I'll read your copy properly. Say, I can't bear her breath. I can't bear the way she looks. I can't bear the way he showers. I can't bear the way he urinates on the pot seat.
And
Say the truth.
He still snores.
He still snores.
Yeah. Out of tune, Bobby.
And there's an extra baton in the bedroom. What is this? You're not a conductor? What's going on? Stop it. Stop. I didn't mean it that way. Stop it. Boss, nobody wants to tell the truth about how marriage is ugly over the small things. Like benchot soap, water, towel, socks, shoes, AC, fan, mattress, bed, dog, cat, grandmother, pubic hair. What about all that shit? No. Hey, I outgrew him. Hey, I found somebody else. Hey, he likes young people. Fuck you.
Yeah, that's the key to...
It's in the Ramayana also, in a sense, no? You go away for 14 years. Everybody loves you. It's all good. You just have to have distance.
But they were together in the 14 years.
The husband wife, but I'm talking about dynamics of relationships when you keep away from people.
Yeah, with in-laws especially.
Yeah.
You can't stay together.
In-laws, whatever. Keep people apart to keep them together. That's what India is trying to do.
So we have a question from Anju who says, any thoughts on thousands protesting New Zealand's indigenous bill?
Yeah, I saw that. You saw that?
Yeah.
She started singing the Maori song in the middle.
Yeah.
I think they beat us on this one. I was waiting for an item number to happen in Lok Sabha. Suddenly, one old actress who's now given a Rajya Sabha seat or something gets up and... Give me an item number. I can't remember it.
Now you can offend people across borders also.
No, but I'm not doing the Maori thing. I'm doing a Bollywood thing.
Okay.
She was doing the Maori thing, but did you see the video?
Yeah.
So she starts singing.
She done it before also, but this time I think she got disqualified.
Got disqualified, but they are talking. It's like it's like a rude party cocktail trick where you just start singing over people talking. Yeah, it's a bit of a bakra or reverse bakra of sorts.
Yeah, and but they do it, and the rugby team also does it. So it's
That's different, Baba. I'm saying you're doing this now to disrupt.
And it's a war dance, no? So you do
It's
it
a
in
war dance.
Parliament.
It's very loud.
Yeah.
Can you do the haka? Can you do the haka? Can you do anything?
Especially if she does it in a pantsuit. No, it's then
That's what you got out of the protest?
Yeah,
that she wore the wrong clothes?
Yeah,
Baba.
that really puts you.
Indigenous people fighting for their rights in a pretty liberal society, but obviously not liberal enough from their point of view. And you got the pantsuit.
I've been to New Zealand earlier this year.
Oh, flexing.
Yeah. No, I'm still recovering from the trip financially.
Yeah.
But,
Kandivli to Auckland.
Yeah. And that to South Island, which is more expensive.
Yeah. Oh, is it?
Yeah, because that's where all the tourist spots are.
South is where all the stuff is, no? South Bombay, South India, South Island.
South Delhi.
South Delhi.
So,
Have you watching that show? Delhi Wives versus Beautiful Bollywood Wives.
No, it's the worst possible show to see. So
don't say that.
Nahi. Acha, it's
beautiful.
Too close.
It's what I wanted to be. If I ever transition, I want to be a Delhi wife. That's my decision. That's the place to be.
Oh yeah. So now
rich Delhi wife. What a life.
Yeah.
Superb. You literally have to just move a chair here or there in the whole day.
Yeah.
You have to khud nahi. Jairam. That's it. Your day is done. What fun.
So I was there and I could see that the Maori culture, you can see the culture.
Oh, you've gone back there?
Yeah.
Pantsuit was not enough of a punch.
Anju has asked, we had to reply to Anju.
Okay.
She's really concerned about...
So she was there?
No. She just, she chooses to see New Zealand tribal rights and not Indian tribal rights.
Yeah. Oh, you really? Today you're not leaving anyone. It's just a question. A nice neutral question which you can openly talk about. For now,
yeah, it is neutral, but then the way you started, somebody.
No, I was looking at the idea of breaking into song. I'm not talking about all the disenfranchised. If they have one or two communities in New Zealand, we have 1 million here who will claim disenfranchisement or disadvantage or prejudice, etc., etc., and probably rightly so in many cases. So, can you imagine there'll be no parliament?
Yeah,
the moment anybody starts talking,
but we do it anyway, no? Through just general shouting.
Yeah.
So
I'm a big fan of Derek O'Brien. He does it really well. Yeah.
But
because he begins with a very sort of nice authoritative tone and almost like normal speaking tone, and then he starts going into the...
Yeah, and then he tears them apart.
And in the middle he'll ask a question from Bonvita quiz. Just toss it because, a lot of people won't have the answer. Tell me the penguin mating ritual is what? A. And then kya bakwas hai? Penguin kya hota hai?
So the Maoris are much better off than the Aborigines in Australia, obviously. And
I think the New Zealand culture has taken in the Maoris actually much more.
Much more, yeah.
And the Maori culture is imbibed properly there. Aboriginal culture is more of a patronizing tone, I think, from what I've observed in New Zealand, in Australia.
But in Australia, there are so few of them left.
Yeah.
You know, they're playing lip service to nobody. There's nobody left.
But your point is then if there are few tigers left, leave it.
No, so they keep them in the zoo. No, then this is what is happening.
Huh? Kya? Bro, no ball.
Tigers.
A tiger.
But
Now we can't even travel abroad because of Puneet. We're banned in India, banned abroad. Where do we go, bro? I don't want to be doing Ukraine for the rest of my life. Yeah.
so Maoris are more in number. They're better off financially also. But I think they get they get benefits. And that's what one party is protesting. The वहाँ का एक far right party है वहाँ का भी जो बोल रहा है कटेंगे तो बटेंगे.
But their far right must be like our left. I mean, not even
No, it's
that right.
It's right, no, because he's going against tribal rights and inclusivity and all of that.
But he himself is a tribal guy. He's had enough.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the beauty. It happens sometimes.
Yeah.
Enough of this whole thing.
But New Zealand is more expensive than Australia, but it's beautiful. It's
What
so
I'm
clean.
getting from this is that you felt a lot of empathy, but being a Sindhi at the end of the day, it's all about kharch and kharcha.
Kharcha,
And
yeah.
you came back thinking, whatever Maori, Pauri, jo bhi hai, it was too expensive.
Too expensive, and also it was so clean that
But why is it expensive? You went there to tour, no?
no, but like कितना ही ticket बेच लेगा? It was more of
You don't get any sponsorship.
no. This
So why would you go there?
is more of a personal trip. My friends are there, so they've been calling me over for years. So
Just to make you broke, your friends call you over there.
Yeah.
Who's the comedian now?
So the shows were an excuse to go there. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense.
Are your friends in Japan? Very expensive, I'm telling you right now.
I have one ex in Japan, I think.
Ex tour is okay. She would never call you.
Yeah.
It's fine.
But Japan intrigues me just as a alien culture.
Lovely place, but expensive. I spent 2 days there and I had no money left. I mean, I didn't take money anyway.
It's
so
like a soup is 1 lakh yen or something like that.
Hamburger was, I can't remember the figure, but it was coming to some ridiculous. I tried to put it in rupees. It was like 7 grand or something.
Ah.
And it was just normal burger somewhere. It wasn't like some fancy place. I didn't eat, yeah. Lots of Indians who go there, they come back very thin. You just can't afford to eat food.
So what also was painful for me to see is how clean New Zealand was. Like it hurt me physically to see.
Please
how
understand,
clean
this
it
is
was.
a Kandivali East boy going to New Zealand. And so that's not even going from Kandivali East to Malabar Hill. He's gone straight to New Zealand. He should have gone step by step.
and
So a slightly cleaner place. Come to Walkeshwar. Not so bad. A little bit Marine Drive. Not so bad. Then you go to Chennai, which is supposed to be cleaner. Parts of Chennai, whatever. Bangalore in the
We are
old
at,
days.
200 AQI in Kandivali now. So
200 AQI already and,
Yeah,
and growing.
it's gone up.
Huh?
Yeah.
What is the estimated time of departure of the entire population?
I think a couple of years max. Because there are some people who argue that no, we will get used to it. No, the immunity will develop. You learn one word in English and you use it everywhere. You cannot be immune to cadmium. No?
It's a fair thought process also. No? How else can you fight back? You say, kuch nahi ho jayega. Because we have survived the dust of India. So many of us. British couldn't survive. They left. See, look at it that way. No? So we've survived. So I'm worried for the Shiv Sena because now Delhiites are saying we are coming to live in Mumbai because you can't bear the air there. You know?
Yeah.
And now they've attacked Madrasis, Gujaratis, Muslims, North Indians. And now the actual Delhiite is going to come. Like the Shalini Pasi and all these people.
Yeah.
So what are they going to do? Which Shiv Sena is going to attack them? What's going to happen?
They'll attack the Chole Bhature joints as
As a symbolic,
symbolic
which are
mark of
run
protest.
by Germans
Yeah.
who left Goa because there's no tourism traffic.
So
Hey, what's the story about no tourism traffic in Goa?
Oh, the latest is that
Is it a
the
scam?
tourism department has filed an FIR on the content creators for just saying
Oh, it's
that
lies?
Yeah. Huh?
Is it? I don't know. I have no idea.
No, it's not lies, but they still.
Has the tourism dipped or not?
I think it has. That's what everybody's saying.
Wow. You think everybody's in Kandivali? What's going on?
Yeah, so I'm performing in Goa on 7th, and the guy was very gung-ho about me coming and saying, like, I'm going on my own tour. So आप खुद देख लेना.
Wow. So you're running the hotel.
Yeah.
In between you do your performance.
Yeah, like in peak season time.
What's the place? We can advertise it.
It's called Mimi's Kitchen in Morjim.
Mimi's kitchen, but Mimi's not there. She's left.
No, Mimi's there.
Mimi's there.
Yeah,
But you
yeah.
said the guy?
The
husband?
Mimi is the brand ambassador.
Okay.
And the guy is professional. He's hired to run the place.
So after you finish your comedy, what are you supposed to do? Accounts?
Yeah. Wow. And also wait at some other tables.
Which is where the comedy starts anyway.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah,
It's where you actually fine tune.
That's how the magicians do it. Table to table and they pick a card.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
we should do it
But
also.
I wish they'd bring credit cards. Instead of the stupid cards they used to bring.
So I have a friend who's a doctor in Goa, and even he says that he also sees traffic going up in December, no, because more people and more drunk people, so more accidents. He's an orthopedician.
Oh my God.
तो बोलता है कम लोग आ रहे हैं इस बार टांग टुड़वा के.
Wow. So for him, it's a negative thing.
Yeah.
Oh, so sad. Yeah, well, like business is business. What are you going to do?
and
But
also-
every day I read about some BMW or some fancy car banging into someone and killing people every day. I'm just thinking these fancy cars seem to have now the worst name.
But this is the latest sport, no, for the rich people.
Like you
Because-
buy a fancy car, you have to see how fast it goes
no, to kill a poor person.
and see how long it takes to get away.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and how many words essay you have to write?
Yeah.
This is
What
more-
happened? What happened? What happened in that case?
Nothing. It's gone.
Yeah, I'd love to know. We should do some research, no?
Yeah, I think some journalists must.
He'll be on bail, out on bail,
Oh, for sure. Him, the father, the grandfather.
with a new car. Because that was okay. Bus.
And they must have gone to Bali to de-stress from all the ordeal.
Stop.
Yeah.
We have to take a break. 36 minutes you're chatting, as usual, about nothing in particular.
No,
But
we-
very sad about the divorce rates. When we come back, we'll discuss more.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus chats with Sachin Kalbag to unpack Maharashtra's high-stake political showdown. They also discuss COVID's economic ripple effects, tackle inflation drama, and sprinkle in some cricket buzz and US politics. On Century of Stories, Kunal shares the story of how 7 women with a small loan and a big vision founded Lichat Papad in 1959. On Paisa Vaisa, Anupam chats with Ashish Shankar and breaks down the HNI investment secrets, PMS and AIF performance, asset allocation strategies, and why real estate and gold remains timeless favorites. Folks, if you like our show, spread the word. Tell your friends and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show name, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week: IDFC First Bank, Axis Mutual Fund, SBI Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund.
And the show, Puneet is back. That's the name of the show. You can choose whatever title you want for this show. We've given up calling it AMA, PMA and all. So why don't you go with the title that because it's your show now.
Acha, so my show is called Satsang. So
But you can't have the same show, no, there's a copyright issue. Because
No,
your
but
show
we
is
can-
doing so well.
we can do
Our
a
show.
crossover, no? Like a Marvel DC.
How come you never invited me on Satsang?
Huh? Because it's happening in the night, 9:30.
Record it once, no? We'll put the lights off.
Record it. हाँ, record कर सकते हैं.
But come on, what is this? Why are you being so, sincere?
Oh, morning people have
Sincerity,
jobs.
no, Baba, sincerity in comedy never works. Yaar.
Acha, हाँ.
You
Which
don't-
I'm discovering.
I
yes.
don't like this. Then you should be an accountant only. What is nonsense? Even sincerity in accountants also doesn't work. But yeah,
There is a question in comedy also.
what are you saying?
Yes,
Well,
so-
who'll answer that?
So Shravan is saying, is Samay Raina risking it all with the choice of dark comedy and humor on Deepika in Kolkata case?
I don't know. I haven't seen that episode, but I think it's a ripoff of that Tony Hinchcliffe, if I got
Yeah,
his name right.
Kill Tony.
Kill Tony, and they go all the way.
Yeah.
Whatever they
But
say.
that's America.
That's America. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if Samay is finally deported, we'll find out. But at the moment, I don't think there's any problem.
No, he's leaning into right wing now, so he won't get deported.
Oh, they stretch the wing.
Because he's Kashmiri, so they got that.
Oh,
He's got that angle to play.
Puneet, you're very dangerous to have a conversation with here.
But this is out there in the public domain.
I know, but your thinking is scaring me now. So you're saying because he's Kashmiri of the majority community who was faced oppression there.
Yeah. I mean, not him directly, but his, his parents were there.
But he lost his big house, etc. He's protected.
I'm saying that he won't get into the kind of trouble that we get into because he.
So you say the same joke where you insensitive, untimely joke on a rape victim, you'll get into trouble. But you lost your land in 1947. Okay, in Multan, where he had a huge bungalow and a cricket pitch, and nobody in his family ever played cricket. They were that rich. You know when you have cricket pitch, don't play it. It's that rich. Yeah. What about that?
Yeah, we had gold cup bats also. We can say whatever we want.
But I am sure they'll
Basically, he does all these dark jokes, but he steers away from politics because now he's so big that he'll get into trouble very quickly if he does.
Yeah.
And
what about the other people? There are a lot of people on
there
the
are already
panel.
clips of him going around in some podcast. He said Kashmir Files was a great movie. So
But was it put together? Because you can take 5 words from different podcasts if you wear the same shirt like me and you can say
no,
anything.
it was not like the BJP audio
Kashmir
clip of
file.
Supriya Sule that they put out yesterday.
Yeah.
No, it's-
What the hell was that?
It was so bad.
Oh, really? I mean, considering that editing has come such a long way and all that, what is like, who?
But they didn't have time. No, after Tavade got caught, they had to do it in one day. So
I don't think one day, it was more like 6 minutes or something.
yeah.
The kind of pressure.
yeah, मुझे लगता है फर्नांडिस ने खुद बनाया लगता है बैठ के.
नहीं तो बताओ सब लोग को कि you please, we don't mind you doing all this rubbish, but do it properly.
Yeah.
But otherwise, we also feel like we wasted our time.
So
It's a bit
have you
like watching
seen
the pod.
his show? His show is the biggest show in India.
Whose?
Apparently, Samay Raina.
I've seen clips that come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's apparently the biggest show in the country.
Right.
TRP wise bigger than TV shows also.
Wow.
It's that big.
Okay.
And he's getting like 15-20 million views for every episode.
Okay.
And the chatter is everywhere.
So he's a
He's
multimillionaire.
reached here also basically.
He's a multimillionaire.
Oh, beyond.
Because we were going to get him on the show, but now we can't afford him.
Yeah.
How sad, yeah.
Yeah. You can give him a stake in IVM, then
No,
he'll
in
come.
case he gets into trouble, then we'll get him. Like that Munawar Faruqi.
Yeah.
One of you guys was close to him or something like that. We were trying to get him when that controversy happened. Moment he came out of jail.
Yeah.
Then he became too big that now we can't reach him.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
won't take the phone only.
Yeah. And even Samay is very busy because
Maybe
he's-
Samay will take Munawar's phone. I should mix it up.
Samay and Munawar are friends. So
Not,
maybe-
but what you tell me, the backgrounds are not friendly.
No, but this is BTS. You can be friends. No, on screen you can portray something.
Like us, huh?
Is it the opposite with your marriage? Like you complain here, but then at home you're like you're happy.
Well, she's still there.
That would be funny.
No, I just keep my head down and get through the day, no? Once I'm home.
A second through the day.
It's okay. It's just like a bad audience and nobody laughs, nobody listens to you, and they're always telling you off. So it's like a horrible audience. So you just have to just keep quiet. The jokes are bouncing off the wall, you're wasting time. It's that kind of thing, yeah. My wife never laughs. I've never seen her laugh. Once when she was sleeping, I moved her mouth like that to see if there's like a laugh, smile. But it didn't happen.
Even that didn't work. How surprising.
No. She got up and slapped me and still no laugh. Yeah. She
So
doesn't laugh.
the joke was about Deepika.
Huh.
So one of the
Are you going to tell the joke?
Yeah, that's the news item.
Okay.
So the contestant who's a Bengali lady who's married and has a child,
Hmm.
she says that no, I have a husband and a child, and then I went through postpartum depression, and
Oh.
now even Deepika is pregnant.
Yeah.
So I'm so happy for her because now she knows what real depression feels like.
Okay.
Because she talks a lot about depression in general.
Oh, she used to. Correct.
So the point is that the postpartum depression is so much more real than
Speaking as a woman.
breakup wala depression.
Yeah.
And Tanmay is there on the panel. He laughed. Raghu is there on the panel. They laugh and they're like, how insensitive.
They're all transitioning. They know what it's like.
Transiting to what? A pregnant lady? No.
Yeah, but it's just a joke, yeah.
It's a
What's the
joke,
big deal
yeah,
end of the
but
day?
we-
Now let's not start becoming censor board.
But that's what people are up in arms about. Not
I'm sure
people, it's a
Deepika is
few-
quite sporting about all these things. What does she care?
Yeah.
End of the day.
Yeah.
I'll ask her. Call her.
Kolkata case I don't know about, but then knowing somewhere he'll go for any kind of joke which
Yeah.
is dark.
Also, this kind of format also may happen in the spur of the moment. It's like how we are talking. So it's not like everything's not an orchestrated
Nah.
joke. You're reacting to something.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
where you're making mistakes.
Yeah.
No. Like when you're doing your stand-up, you've rehearsed every joke. So that you should be caught for and vilified because you've been given time.
And you
Here,
rehearsed
last minute you say something, Kashmir Files, jo bhi hai, boom, it
and
comes
now
out.
it's on screen as part of your
Yeah,
history. So, but now this show is so big that across the spectrum, I'm hearing old people, young people, across even like socioeconomic classes, everybody's seeing it. Khatri is saying that I go to the airport, people who are pushing the trolleys, they recognize, sir, आप latent पे आया था, आप जज था वहाँ पर. So it's
What was he doing there?
judge, one of the judges.
Okay, excellent.
So
Does he
there
get
are-
paid?
No, the views. No, you get paid with exposure as always.
And so the guy pushing the trolley is now coming to a show.
He's not coming, but like it all
But
helps.
he's still pushing the trolley, but he knows his name.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess that's marketing at its best. Marketing 101. Lesson for the day.
Cut across. So there's one.
Have you
question-
been on the show?
No. You have to be big enough to be the judge.
Oh, is it?
Number wise.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they've got it's like a caste system. If you don't have the numbers, they don't let you in.
Yeah, I mean,
Can't you bribe?
In any show, they look at the following.
But can't you bribe? Raghu Raji famously give bribes.
Huh? No, he has enough sponsors. वो sponsor को गाली देता है, फिर भी sponsor लोग आता है.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, this is the best. You get the sponsor, get the money, and then he curses them also.
And he gets a new sponsor in case they're upset.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Fabulous. He should run the country.
Yeah,
I'll vote for him.
rock star.
Yeah.
So even college shows he goes to and they tell him कि ये चीज़ नहीं बोलने का है. He'll go up and say नहीं सर मेरे को बोला गया है कि ये नहीं बोलने का. He'll say it like
I'm all for it. I think he should win Maharashtra state elections. The Raina party. What do you think?
no, it'll be Maharaina.
The Maharaina. because then Tanmay and Raghu have to come into it. And who else? Atul Khatri.
Yeah.
Can you imagine these four and Maharashtra? It'll be a good
So
place.
he has a revolving cast of
Yeah.
judges, and then Balraj is there on all the episodes.
Who's he?
The owner of Habitat.
Oh, the owner's forced himself in.
Yeah.
I like that. That's a smart thing
It's
to
a
do.
running joke कि
Yeah.
मेरे को मेरा इसने rent माफ कर दिया तो
हाँ.
he gets to sit, and now Balraj is famous. Like because so many
So
episodes.
Balraj become the most famous because
But-
he's actually the funniest.
No, he doesn't talk as much because the comics are like all over the place. No? So
Huh.
he tries to get one joke in, but then somewhere will shut him down. But he's become, just by virtue of being there, he's become very popular.
I'll tell you what, let's get this guy on our show. We can't afford the other guys. Let's get Balla, right?
Yeah, Balraj.
Yeah. Balraj.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Get the name right, bro. Balla, somebody else will come. Done. Balraj. Make some calls. Boss, when you finish your video call with your wife, call Balraj.
Yeah, he's
Balraj travels.
Habitat
tourism
right here,
travels.
and his father is very popular like they run several establishments here. No, his
I thought he's a cricketer or something, the way you were saying, very popular. Huh?
Yeah,
His
but-
father is a hotelier.
yeah,
What's his surname?
Ghai.
Balraj Ghai. This. One second.
नहीं नहीं इनका जो हैबिटेट वाला है ना होटल वो है ना some other
Hotel Baba
नहीं
International.
नहीं बाबा नहीं वो अलग पार्ट
No, that's owned by the Parsis.
या
No?
what is his बाबा
I don't know who Balraj was. I was calling him Balla. Thanks to you now I know who he is. Now you tell me his father is very famous but his name is Ghai. It's very confusing.
there's a surname no
This Samay Raina show is not half as interesting as this guy. I want to set the show with Balraj.
yeah so he's a producer basically he runs the club
He's a young guy.
he's
I thought he was like an old man who's
about my age maybe a little younger
very young.
yeah
Okay. Chalo.
Nisha has asked, is living in Delhi smog like watching a dystopian film again and again?
But I wasn't there. I was in Delhi for one day last month. But I don't remember it being that bad. But then we go in the car, from the car to the hotel, and back in the
But
car.
you can see it. Like some years, so you go to
How-
Delhi in November, you can see the smog inside the airport. And when the plane lands, you can see nothing.
I don't look out of the window. I put the AC on full and also I don't feel. But I try to live like I'm living in a European country. You know, this is what the British tried before they couldn't do it anymore on 47 and left. So I just live in the little bubble. AC full, no music. I hate music. No music in the car and no talking. You know, overfamiliar driver.
Yeah.
Starts telling you,
Yeah.
कल का मैच में क्या हो रहा है बेंचोद? Sometimes they're too, you know. So once you start, they don't stop.
They are good podcasters.
So they're great for long drives. But shorter drives, I don't want to have a conversation yet. They're great podcasters. Balraj may have been one of those guys. Right back in the day. Young Balraj. Huh.
So another news item is that in Gurgaon, there was a Bharat passing by and they were bursting crackers and people were like, what the fuck is going on? Because you can't see nothing. There's already smog and they're bursting crackers to add to. But जिसका शादी है उसका है क्या कर सकते हैं?
What are the 200, 500 years of this act now?
Yeah.
They have to find a new act because of smog coming in. Until they find one. Laser show maybe with really strong lights.
Yeah,
that would
yeah.
make sense, no?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it.
And then all the big buildings of Gurgaon, no, they look like very dystopian. It look like Blade Runner, basically.
My biggest fear is when you're flying, when they say that this smog is, we can fly through this smog and not through this smog. Because smog looks the same.
Yeah.
So I don't know what the hell they mean, you know.
Must be visibility.
The
I guess.
6.6, 7.5. But for me, if you can't see, you can't see, right?
But it's automatic. No? Only the landing में pilot थोड़ा बहुत
Boss, only the landing. तू पागल आदमी है क्या? Without the landing, you're dead.
वो pilot करता क्या बाकी?
That's true, but he has to get the landing right. It's okay if he takes a twirl in the middle of the sky once or twice. I don't care. But land properly, for God's sake. Landing is so important.
So some
what the hell are you saying?
some flights are
Landing
being
is like having an orgasm in a sense.
Yeah.
Without that, if you didn't have that thing and you didn't, you know, there would be no children, there'd be no trouble. So if you think about it that way, get landing right. By the way, do you have kids?
No, not that I know of. So
But life is passing you by. I'll let that joke go. Well, are you going to have kids or not?
no. This is clear. Like there's
No kids.
Yeah, with the school fees that you see these days.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
There's no end to it. What school fees?
Yeah.
The school fees, there's tuition still. They never, tuitions continued. I thought they'd end in the 90s and all bollocks.
Nahi.
And some
And then
10,000
they
rupees
grow
an
up
hour.
and they curse you anyway. So
Puneet, you have to pay them for the year. The tutor is like the government. You're paying tax. You pay the tutor for the year first.
upfront.
Fuck that. The child will still fail. There's
And
no
what if you
guarantee.
don't like him? You can't fire him.
No, you already paid him. He's already invested his money in mutual funds. Or whatever Gautam Adani has told him to before this US
We
news
used to
came.
go to coaching classes because the bag was nice. No, like that was the
Those coaching classes are also dying now. It's all private classes.
all private.
What we had, all those career classes.
क्या
And,
Zepto से आता है क्या ट्यूशन टीचर भी?
huh? What do you think?
उसका जर्सी पहन के आता है क्या
Of course. And why not? Bro, I'm telling you, tutor is a very good profession. If comedy doesn't work, tell the comedians out there, Samay Raina and Balraj, if you're listening, if it's not working, become a tutor. Lots of money in that.
Yeah.
And you can take a check also.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
In fact, the Lisha has asked, an IITian has put out a post on his daughter's school fee, which is 4 lakhs, and is given the 4.5. And given the breakdown for class 1.
Class 1?
Yeah. And he sparked a debate online and asking, has private schooling turned into luxury facility? ये chambers.
This whole Beti Padhao thing will have to stop now.
नहीं, वो municipality school में होता है ना.
Oh, okay. It's not really there. But the moment we say Beti Padhao, this guy's walking off the chauvinist bastard. He just walked out of the room. Something in that.
So there was an RTI, ना, बेटी बचाओ में कहाँ पे खर्चा किया, तो it turned out some 70-80% went into advertising. So,
That's and 20% only in where did 20% go?
हाँ, बाकी सब activities कुछ होगा.
So
Event,
nothing went to the
samosa event, I don't know.
Wow, man. Very cynical podcast. Sorry about that. Yeah, but possibly true.
But maybe the point was to put the ads out to say कि भाई बेटी पता, I don't know. But the numbers look bad. And 4 lakhs for class 1.
4.5.
Yeah, तो उसमें से 40,000 is admission fees, whatever that means, like the one-time admission fees. And
Yeah, so that one-time admission fee also is a great idea.
Yeah.
Because it's not like you want to be admitted every day.
And then the fees is some like 2 lakhs something.
Yeah.
So it's
2
quite...
lakhs for first standard.
Yeah.
What are they teaching her? Trigonometry, Greek philosophy.
Yeah, now it's the syllabus is quite heavy now.
I mean, this is like a crime, bro. You should say something about this.
This has been going on for some time now, and like there's a school I used to go to. It's a public school, so a trust runs it. So it was no fees, like notional fees, 4 rupees for 4th standard, 5th standard, 5th.
But today it'll be much more. Today is 4.5 lakhs.
It's maybe a little bit more, but it's still very affordable. But now my cousins won't send their kids to that school saying कि इसका crowd बहुत खराब हो गया है. मतलब क्यों, तो बोला दूध वाले का बच्चा आता है वहाँ पे अभी. So you get it, like it's
depends on what kind of Dudwala. If he's a franchisee with lots of dairies, it's a different thing.
So
if
middle
he's
class
actually delivering
has
milk,
moved up to this now. So if you want to stay with people in your bracket, you have to.
But this is the big scam in urban centers, now that everyone has to go to these upmarket schools.
Yes.
And then newer upmarket schools have even more this thing and more money.
It is the same for restaurants, same for the clothes you wear, the shops.
But then what do the kids get out of education? Look at our kids today. They're horrible. You go on Insta.
Yeah.
They're terrible.
And on Zoom, they're so misbehaved because the teacher is not there.
Yeah.
अभी दिल्ली में भी Zoom चल रहा है because of the pollution.
Yeah.
So between two teachers, they yell, they curse.
I mean, really, we've got to do something about education. This right to education should end. As far as we are concerned. There's too much is made out of it. 4 lakhs for first standard. Where is he going to? I mean, by the time she's 20, what if she wants to study medicine and beyond? This guy will be.
But one solution is that you can stop women education. Because you're not letting them work anyway.
Afghanistan has tried that. It's not going out that well. They've already come up with that plan.
No, but you're not getting them to work anyway. You're getting them married off and you want them to stay at home and obey your rules till they're like adults. So don't send them to school.
Who did you marry? Because my experience is very different. I'm the one who wants to stay at home. You have no idea.
South Mumbai is not India, no?
That's true.
Yeah,
and thank God. And thank God for Nav Bharat, Valkeshwar Malbar.
But what about the Bhutia Janata Party? Like
Bhutia Janata Party is still there. We have to make an impact at the right time. We haven't been able to find that time.
But if Raj Thackeray can bargain with one seat.
But he's playing a role of killing into other parties. We don't want to play that. We want to be the dominant party. We don't want to be the guy who helps one party beat another party by taking 5 seats or 5 votes. For us, this vote sharing thing is not the issue. We have to be dominant. And the way to do that is make sure there is no other political party. So I'm working on how to do that. So imagine there'll be a day when there'll be only one BJP, Bhutia Janata Party.
But the Maha has to come somewhere.
Why? I don't want any alliance.
Acha.
I'm looking more like the Kim Jong-un, Putin. I'm looking, my inspiration is little different.
So everybody has same haircut as you.
There you go, yeah. and same toxic masculinity views and all that. Don't worry. Yeah. Well, Putin's haircut is closer to what my hair is becoming now, if you ask me. Yeah.
There's one question from Ailesh. I never heard this name.
Tuji Ailesh, the full name.
Or is it...
That's what his name is.
Or is it Sailesh with the S silent?
What kind of silation is S silent? I mean, what low self-esteem कि मैं S निकाला अभी Ailesh बन गया. मैं सोचा कि अभी मेरे को more uplift मिलेगा life में. Wherever I go, Ailesh G.
Maybe it's a numerology thing. No, they're doing it on LinkedIn now.
You can't take out the letter. You add.
Acha, you add.
You don't, because the name changes, Baba.
But then...
If Puneet became Uneet, I mean, come on. But if Papa Puneet is fine because you say 2 P's are silent.
But when life is not going well, you owe people money, you would do anything.
That's true.
People are doing it on LinkedIn.
Desperation, yeah.
Yeah.
Kunal is also changing his name now.
To Vijay Kunalkar.
Johnny.
Question that Ailesh has asked is, will Messi's journey to India beat the hype of Coldplay? So Messi is coming to Kerala.
Just for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
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 Messi will be bigger than Coldplay for me because it's a much bigger audience.
Yeah.
Football audience much bigger. Coldplay is a big urban phenomenon here. It's just 17 young teenage girls or whatever. I don't know, 30-year-old, not teenage, 30-year-olds or whatever.
I think with Coldplay, it's easy to pose as a fan. No? With football,
Yeah,
if you
exactly.
don't like-
And also, it's this FOMO thing that happened. It's like my friend Kunal Vijayakar. What a wonderful man. He went for the Zubin Mehta concert
Yeah.
because he decided that he has to go there. So I asked him to name one piece.
Yeah.
One piece. 2.5 hours. Okay, it was mostly Wagner. Not one piece could he could recall. So what are you doing there?
Yeah.
It's not your thing. You're not really into classical music.
Zubin
Why
is
you
still
go there?
active, huh?
Who?
Zubin is still
He
active.
was in a wheelchair.
Oh, wow.
That's why Coldplay also, you want to see them before they come back in a wheelchair. Because then it'll be terrible. You know. I mean, these things happen. Mick Jagger and all are still performing. There's so many legends that still
But they
perform.
can walk still.
Well, you want to call it that.
Yeah.
But he's literally 160 years old, yeah. It's not funny.
Yeah.
But coming back to Coldplay, why aren't you going? You're a big fan.
Nah. It's cool. For me, Coldplay is pop music.
Okay, what does that mean now? This is a Kandivli expression. I am not able to understand.
I'm old, so I'm a rock fan.
Oh, you're a
so-
rocker.
Yeah.
You're more what Judas Priest, is it?
Yeah.
Huh? Come on, tell me, bro.
What? Yeah, Xavier's I Rock, the works.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you spit on Coldplay and
not
that.
spit on, but like not my
You
jam.
urinate or vomit depending on which organ is working. Okay.
And not for these prices, and then the way you get to see the show, like from,
And it's not even nearby.
Yeah.
For us, it might as well be Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
Everything is far away. It's
and
DY
then
Patel or
the
something.
way
like
we
that.
handle events in India is so
Oh,
crap.
really?
Who wants to go for this?
And then you see people who've got Audi cars and BMW cars stretching to look and see, and with all that money, they still couldn't get to watch the concert properly. It's
Yeah.
terrible. How are the rich being so ill-treated in the country?
It takes a Gora for that to happen. So
Also, I don't like the name Coldplay. It's like they don't know what they're talking about. What does Coldplay mean?
it's
I mean, old play I don't mind. Sold play I accept, but cold play ka matlab kya hai? What the fuck is he talking about?
damp music.
Yeah, then F off. Go back to Scotland or wherever and perform there. Leave me alone. Why are you coming to Kandivli East? You're not welcome here.
Yeah. और होता है बहुत.
I'll go for Falguni.
It's,
Still running strong. Falguni Pathak still running strong. She launched in the early 90s before I was on MTV. And I remember she was every year during Navratri and little around that season. Huge. And she's continued to be huge even today. Of course, she only works for those 2 weeks.
Yeah.
But my God, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
I mean, Mike Tyson also only worked for that first 20 seconds.
Yeah.
To be
Did you
honest.
see the fight?
I know, I see Kunal walking in the Malwa Hill all the time after he parks the car, so it's the same thing for me. I mean, not to see Tyson, you know.
You think he's under debt? That's why.
I think my mother should have fought Tyson. And I think we would have had at least, it would have been close. Yeah, I mean, she would have won, from what I saw, but still. What do you think? I stayed up, bro. But, I mean, from the morning, because you don't know the real times. From the morning, you're watching everything.
They should have done this match on WWE. That would have been the
It
right
was-
place to do it.
Honestly, why didn't they just have a quiz? Like, between the two of them, whoever wins the quiz is the new heavyweight champion.
But people are just happy that he didn't die or something.
Now in hindsight, but
Yeah.
they've made so much hype out of it. I thought, one good punch here or there, 58 or not. But obviously not.
I think he was going easy on him. Maybe it was like,
I think it was just, his capacity is not there to box now.
but they went what 8 rounds? They did all the rounds.
He's out of breath in 10 seconds, Baba. This thing of a great grandfather trying to, it's just not.
But you're saying that guy couldn't land one good punch. 'Cause that's all it takes.
He seemed out of breath. He seemed slow.
No, the other guy.
He didn't. He held back.
Yeah, he held back. No, clearly.
He's like,
Clearly.
Come on. I mean, he's done one good thing in his life. He didn't insult the already, depreciating returns of the great Mike Tyson. Very sad, yeah.
So Messi is gonna play in Kerala, friendly match, and
Yeah.
Kerala is big on Argentina.
Kerala's big on Argentina and Bengal on Brazil. In the
Yeah.
old days, at least. Yeah.
But I think, but the central government has to fund this one, so I don't see how that will happen
No. The Messi is so popular, they'll do it. Why not?
because they hate Kerala. No,
No, but you convert Kerala towards you now by doing that.
अच्छा, we brought him.
Football
ऐसा
frenzy, Messi.
तो मेसी को गमछा पहनेगा भगवा वाला.
That's okay, but wherever he goes in the world, he has to embrace the culture. He don't need to be embraced by that. Let him do it. My point is only one thing. How many of the bigwigs will go who've never played football?
They'll
That's what I love to watch. Like, you remember the final
Yeah.
of the World Cup? There are a lot of people who are not involved in sport who are around
and
after
they'll
some
get a
time.
Jabardasti ka selfie, like we have all this photo with Ed Sheeran, no, in which he looks like a lost puppy, and all the Bollywood guys are like holding on
So
to him.
mean, really. Lionel Messi! Ek aisa naujawan. I'm just thinking, what would you say to him? And poor Messi will sit there. He's a short guy, by the way. He's not very tall. He should go to the Samay Raina show. That would be great.
For all you know, he might.
Yeah, I think he should.
The
It's
show
a bigger
is that
show.
big.
Why are you wasting him here? Let him go straight there. What if Coldplay and Messi were on the Samay Raina? What's the show called?
It's called India's Got Latent.
India's Got Latent.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah.
Put this out. It's a great proposition.
I think it'll happen.
Who's the producer of the show?
Balraj is
This Balraj is everywhere. Balraj is irritating me now. I'm between you and I'm getting a little irritated with this guy. He's too much, yaar. He's like a match fixer or something. He's everywhere doing everything. What the hell?
Yeah,
Owns the hotels, owns the catering, owns the show, owns the production, owns everything.
Yeah, and I think he's just
He
he'll
must be-
stand up very soon.
He must have more money than Gautam Adani right now.
No,
Little less.
little less. Yeah. Because, but then Adani is a bigger patriot, so
Court case against him in US.
again Adani.
Yeah, huge case. See the morning.
And it's a new
internet.
case.
You know, they say accused him of some 263 million fraud. It's a huge amount.
उतना तो चलता है ना.
Yeah, for us it's nothing, but them it's huge. Like, look at 263. Their world record was 197 or something. 263 straight away broke the record. Put him also on the Raina ka show.
कौन अदानी? वो थोड़ी आएगा.
क्यों नहीं?
He's too big for this.
Now you told me the bigger show. Now you're saying people are bigger than the bigger show. Who's bigger than the bigger show?
Say, as a Guju businessman, this is too risky, you know. What if somebody cracks one more joke on depression? And
So which show can we put them on? Khatron ke Khiladi?
कौन अदानी को?
Give me a show.
I think we should just put Adani's photo in the parliament over the speaker's head. That's the show.
That's the show.
Yeah.
And one camera is fixed.
Yeah,
So whoever's talking, we see that.
Yeah, and his eyeballs move automatically. Like, जो भी बात करे उसको देखते हो.
Yeah. This is like when you enter the church in a film and they take the camera to the church, then they cut to Jesus' cross or whatever,
Yeah.
and they stay there even though the priest is talking.
Yeah.
So because that's more important.
Yeah,
I get,
pay your respects.
I get it.
Yeah.
I've got your new
So
sponsor.
that is the biggest show of the
I've
land.
got your new sponsor. It's not Adani, it's a church.
Well, the church is the most successful.
बस यार बस जाने दो यार रहमान से शुरू किया तूने. Now you want to bring down the church also. Leave me out of this यार.
I'm appreciating church is the most successful corporation in the history of the world.
Okay. You might get some love from center, huh? You're going in the right direction. There's no when to stop. Don't jump from religion to religion. Stay with one. Huh?
I mean, Saint Francis. So challenge next time.
Who came to Goa you're talking about.
Yeah. Because no, even I went to Xavier's myself, and then he's revered as a saint.
Correct.
But he's
Named after him. Huh?
Yeah, he's the guy who brought the Inquisition to India, and the Inquisition was so brutal that even the Portuguese didn't want it. Like, अच्छा business चल रहा है, no, but he wanted it, and he got it in, and they used that to torture so many people. Because in Inquisition you can do whatever you want,
Right.
in the name of God.
I don't think of it as a bad thing sometimes. If you've met humanity, occasionally I don't see it as a bad thing. Chalo.
Last question is from Nishad, who's asking, is the Trump effect preventing Iran from attacking Israel?
But every morning there's breaking news, Iran getting closer to attacking Israel. Look, let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's only attacking should be Indian batsmen at Perth against Australian bowlers. Let's don't have any more of this. This thing can snowball. People making light of this fact, and our journalists are going mad. Electronic journalists screaming and shouting. But the fact of the matter is, if it snowballs, everything's just going to... Our comedy shows will go out of the window.
Yeah.
What are we going to talk about? I can't discuss the problems with infrastructure in Walkeshwar when the world is, when cities are being blown up because of nuclear.
It's true. Everybody's advantage. People are in power. They must be salivating.
So Iran, if you can continue to provide us with Irani cafes, great. Let's not have any nuclear warfare. Israel, calm down. Let's stop all this. Zelensky, go back to your corner. Putin, go back to your corner. No more fighting, and let India and Pakistan settle their differences.
I think Iran-Israel is like that scene from Hangama movie, with Aftab Sivdasani and Akshay Khanna saying, "Dekh, tere ko bahar mil, mere ko bahar mil," and then nothing happens.
Nothing happens. But let's hope. Hope. Who would have won? Akshay versus Aftab? Aftab's quite well built, huh?
Is it?
Yeah. Half Parsi. Good genes.
But this was back in the day when he looked like a chocolate boy, no?
Chocolate boy or not, he was a well-built boy. Trust me. Yeah. But Akshay is a martial artist. Proven record.
Akshay Khanna?
Yes.
Yeah, because...
Khanna, no. Kumar.
No, this is Akshay Khanna.
Akshay Khanna is known to be a hot-tempered.
Hot-tempered.
He's fought a lot, actually, in our neck of the woods.
and he doesn't
This
have
would have been a
kids.
why don't they make movies like this? These two guys have a fight. That's it. One song in the middle. Ho gaya. John Lever can do one track around it twice or thrice, and we'll have one of you or me can be the college friends in the background. Hey boys, stop it. That kind of thing. Ho gaya.
No, you need one fat guy also.
Kunal!
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Or Samay Raina ka Balraj. What does he look like?
He looks like he's a Sardar.
Boss, why? Just tell me what he looks like. Is he big, small?
I said like that. No,
Oh.
he's a petite.
Petite?
Petite. He's a slim guy.
Skinny guy?
Yes,
He won't make the film here.
Uh,
We go back to Kunal. Only problem is the average age of the college is 18 and Kunal is 59 batting at that point. But it's okay.
Yeah.
They used to do it all the time. If you see old American films and all, there's so many extras are like 60 in first year junior college. They were sitting there. They used to give them, what are those things called? Those damn things? Suspenders, no?
Yeah.
They were giving you suspenders. The guy's a college student. I don't know where that came from.
What college was this?
I've so many movies. The extras are all wearing suspenders, bow tie, the kind of rubbish. And they're like 53 years old. And the average age is supposed to be 17.
Powder laga.
The only person who's 17 is that poor girl they're all, looking at and ogling and stuff. It's so wrong here.
But also accurate for Indian society.
It is. Men take a long time to pass. Yeah.
Oh, this is right.
Rafael Nadal ka retirement.
Oh yeah. So
Well, retirement in the sense it was Davis Cup anyway. He was already finished. His knees are gone. His wrist is gone. His finger is gone. They kitch out it too much. Yeah. A heartfelt is almost like a Hindi film. Yeah. The way Roger Federer gave a heartfelt note and then some 10 people cried. And, for me, I think retirement should be, when it's sudden, but then heartfelt, it's great. Like, there's not too much.
it's too long drawn.
Dude,
you
you've got 5 years to retire the guy. It's like, your dad is 54. He's got 4 years more in the company.
It's like Undertaker's retirement.
It's exactly. And then 2 or 3 Undertakers at the end of it. It's very confusing.
So Lalit has asked this question: that which are your favorite records of Nadal to look back in? So now you also get
13 French Opens, no? I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, I don't think we said that with Tendulkar, now we're worried that 51 Test 100s will go.
Yeah.
But then Virat Kohli's form is not that good, but Joe Root's is. So I shouldn't say that. But look, at this time, it looks like an unbreakable record.
Yeah.
13 French. Because, let's say injured or whatever, that means 15 or 16 seasons, someone has to win it.
Yeah.
Okay. And who will play tennis 15 or 16 seasons to that level in this modern era? I doubt.
There'll be one more.
Unless it's Balraj. That guy can do anything. Clay court or grass court.
Unless it's Djokovic, not in peak form
Djokovic
now.
has got 1 year more max.
1 more year.
I don't think he'll win a Grand Slam now.
But even with all the hyperbaric chambers and the Ayurvedic treatments
What
that he
is
does,
his boss? Father time you saw Mike Tyson.
yeah.
I mean, it's so. I felt so sad. Puneet, I felt really sad. I've not felt sad because off late I've been using Coastal Road, so I was not feeling sad for a long time. And then I just felt sad because I've seen him fight the furious brutality of Mike Tyson when I was a young man in the early 90s, late 80s when he started. It was fabulous, he used to get up and watch. We were discussing it that
58,
day.
you shouldn't be allowed.
But he came in like a god, He was he's like the alpha male, and now he's like this.
Yeah, it's like Ric Flair.
Yeah, but Ric Flair is all. It's anyway. It's choreographed. This is supposed to be real. Very disappointing. Promise me, Puneet, you won't do comedy when you're that old, which is 2 years from now.
But you
Please.
can do comedy in a wheelchair. You just have to be coherent. No,
Yeah.
that's the fun part.
But do you take your teeth out while you perform? What's the...
In private shows, I take it.
Imagine we land up on Samir Raina's show when we're that old. You and me.
Yeah, no, private shows, I take it out. The teeth.
What do you take out? Private show, you take everything out. I paid money for you, yaar. Teeth kyun? Teeth वापस डाल, आप निकाल.
Yes, I think we actually covered all the questions for a change.
You're very professional. I've been saying you're the best anchor ever.
Yeah.
And you get your political agenda with this poor A.R. Rahman who's never heard a fly. Everyone, you've done well. All said and done.
Take no prisoners.
You brought down the church towards the end. You attacked communities in between.
Communities.
Oh, many. Not one, not two. Many. There's a secular sense of insult,
Yeah.
which is also great.
Yeah.
And Balraj is the man of the match.
Yeah.
A man I've never seen in my life. But who's petite.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Take
owns-
no prisoners.
But owns half of Mumbai.
Yeah. Khar at least.
Half of Khar.
Yeah.
The only part of Mumbai you should look at.
Yeah. He has 3 habitat clubs now.
They all named the same.
No, above.
Is this going to become like CST?
Yeah.
Where everything is named the same thing, so the foreigner just takes rounds of the station, airport.
No,
this-
for now is one building, so there's above habitat, below habitat, and the habitat. 3.
I mean, with all that money, they couldn't afford to buy another name. I mean,
No, but one brand name is working. So now,
but it's confusing. I go there, I don't know where I'm going.
Next one will be besides Habitat. That will be the.
But how do we know which one we want to go to?
No, you just go to.
Arey boss, I got in Park Hotel in Delhi. This was the biggest problem. There were 3 or 4 parks at one time, and nobody working with MTV, where basically brain was one between 9 people. No one knew which park you were going to. Before the bloody mobile phone. You get into a cab because you call a cab. Bhai sahab, you sit in the cab. Park Hotel. So you'll say, कौन सा park? आप बताओ. ये park, वो park, ये park, वो park. अच्छा वो park. Then no booking there.
Yeah.
Check again. And the other park is nothing to do with the other park. It's all franchise. They don't care about each other.
This one is perfect. It's one building. You go with your ticket. The lady.
Have you performed there?
Yeah, very often.
Oh, you know Balraj?
This is right here. It's the biggest
Oh,
club.
yeah?
Yeah. Khas station.
Boss, I wouldn't have made so much fun of him. He can attack us.
He's too busy to write.
He's too
now.
busy. He's too big.
Yeah.
What does he care about something?
No, he'll send his minions behind us.
Yeah.
So no, but it's the biggest and the busiest club in the country.
Is it? I've never been. I don't think.
And most videos are short. It's very successful.
Really? Erotic videos also, just comedy?
No.
Sometimes one is the
The
other.
poetry ones get close to eroticism,
Yeah.
but comedy ones are.
Why? Because people are so bored they're playing with themselves. Is that what you're shooting?